*** Top 10 Digital Marketing Online Institutes in India ***. With the rapid growth of the digital landscape, the demand for skilled digital marketers has surged across industries. Aspiring professionals and seasoned marketers alike are seeking reputable online institutes in India to enhance their digital marketing skills and stay competitive in the job market. To help you make an informed decision, here's a curated list of the top 10 digital marketing online institutes in India. ***1. Digital Vidya, ***. Digital Vidya is one of India's leading providers of digital marketing training and certification programs. With a comprehensive curriculum, industry-recognized certifications, and hands-on practical experience, Digital Vidya offers courses suitable for beginners and experienced professionals alike. ***2. Upgrad, ***. Upgrad is known for its high-quality online courses in various domains, including digital marketing. With industry-relevant content, live interactive sessions, and expert mentorship, Upgrad's digital marketing programs provide participants with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the field. ***3. Simplilearn, ***. Simplilearn is a renowned online learning platform offering a wide range of digital marketing courses accredited by top universities and institutions. With flexible learning options, self-paced modules, and practical projects, Simplilearn equips learners with the tools they need to succeed in digital marketing. **4. Coursera, ***. Coursera partners with leading universities and organizations to offer online courses in digital marketing. Learners can choose from a variety of courses, specializations, and certificate programs, covering topics such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and digital analytics. **5. Udacity, ***. Udacity's nanogree programs in digital marketing provide learners with hands-on experience in areas such as content strategy, social media marketing, and digital advertising. With project-based learning and mentor support, Udacity prepares students for real-world challenges in the digital marketing industry. **6. EduPristine, ***. EduPristine offers digital marketing courses designed by industry experts and practitioners. With a focus on practical skills and real-world applications, EduPristine's programs help participants develop a deep understanding of digital marketing tools, strategies, and best practices. **7. Manipal ProLearn, ***. Manipal ProLearn offers comprehensive digital marketing courses designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced professionals. With a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical exercises, Manipal ProLearn's programs prepare learners for careers in digital marketing. **8. NIIT Digital Marketing, ***. NIIT offers digital marketing courses that cover a wide range of topics, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, and web analytics. With industry-aligned curriculum and expert faculty, NIIT equips learners with the skills needed to thrive in the digital marketing landscape. *9. AIMER Digital Marketing Training, ***. The All India Management Association AIMER offers digital marketing training programs designed for working professionals and entrepreneurs. With flexible learning options and practical case studies, AIMER's courses provide participants with actionable insights into digital marketing strategies and tactics. *10. TalentEdge, ***. TalentEdge partners with premier institutions to offer digital marketing certification programs that combine academic rigor with industry relevance. With live interactive sessions, industry projects, and expert faculty, TalentEdge provides learners with a comprehensive understanding of digital marketing concepts and practices. Ready to advance your career in digital marketing. If you're ready to enhance your digital marketing skills and advance your career, contact us at +91 9864 170343 or +91 9864 855058 for a free consultation. Our team of experts can provide personalized guidance and help you choose the right online institute to achieve your professional goals in the exciting field of digital marketing. Conclusion. With the proliferation of online learning platforms, aspiring digital marketers have access to a plethora of options to enhance their skills and knowledge. Whether you're looking for self-paced courses, live interactive sessions, or industry-recognized certifications, the top 10 digital marketing online institutes in India listed above offer something for everyone. Invest in your professional development today and embark on a rewarding career journey in digital marketing. इंट्रोडक्शन। इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।